Okay, guys, so you know that the veil that I just made with the Harry Potter characters and stuff? Well, I'm gonna reattempt to make that like Nido or whatever it's called. But anyways, that's where I put them, but they just fell. Now they're down here. And trying, okay, here, I got them, okay. It's just like a crumb. Okay, so the bag broke. Very unfortunate because I dropped them. So yeah, I'm gonna reattempt to make them. So yeah. And there's really no other way to get these out of this bag except for to cut the bag open. And I'm gonna be wasting sorry, dripping on my hands from the hole because it still has a tiny bit of water in it. So hopefully this is not another fail. Oh, got it. Okay. They are completely soaked. You have Jenny. Here, I'm gonna fast forward this. So now we are just going to fill it up with water. For here,